In Caterpillar 6030 excavator, we perform preventive maintenance. 4. So we drain all the oils and put new oils and filters, air filters, and for final drive, we replace new oil and level it correctly. In preventive maintenance 4, we check all the oil levels correctly and also replace the auto lube lines and grease fittings. We make sure that all the lubrication are good condition and to avoid the bearings and pins from early wear. In Volvo articulated truck, I perform visual inspection and evaluating some missing parts to request and make a report so we can document the rub parts and what are missing on that specific equipment, so that when the equipment arrive the specific parts, we can easily install and identify what parts are missing on that specific equipment. In 740B Caterpillar articulated dump truck, I perform final drive replacement because it has leak. So I perform with safety procedure and pull out final drive and install Riemann final drive. While unit is in down status, my colleagues perform some hoses replacement that has cracks and damage. It will be reduces the downtime of the machine. In our company, we have tight time budget. So while performing one specific problem, the other colleagues are checking and replace and retight some minor issues that we found on that machine. In Hitachi excavator EX1900, we perform preventive maintenance together with the excavator team. They replace some parts that need to be replaced while equipment is in down status. Also perform auto lube repairs. We replace the lube lines, repair for the damaged hoses, crack hoses, and replace the grease fittings. In Hitachi 1900 EX, before starting the equipment, we lubricate the bucket pins and bearings well. While putting the grease, we move bucket and implements to spread the grease well. Also checking and correct the oil levels and coolant, engine oils, all inspection to prevent major damage. In Piso 2000 excavator, we are doing boom cylinder pull out to install to another equipment because in our company we don't have spare boom cylinder. So we wear PPEs and use lifting machines when performing that job. And also following the safety procedure and using the right tools for the right job, we perform the task or safe. In Kobelco SK850, I perform diesel fuel priming to start the machine and evaluate and inspect defective and malfunction system like sensors, and also identifying what is the cause of that hard starting machine. So I replace the fuel filters and replace with the new one, and I perform testing and to ensure this equipment is good condition during the operation. In PC 2000 Komatsu excavator, I perform lube repair and maintenance. I check all the pins and bearings, make sure it's lubricated, and also replace damaged lube lines, especially crack hoses, and replace grease fitting to ensure that and avoid major damage part and components. In the picture, we can see HD785 Komatsu of highway truck. I am performing rub parts. So with the rub form procedure and follow the safety, I pull out air condition condenser and also the after cooler while doing the job. I always follow the safety and wear PPEs. As we can see in the picture, we have the E1100 Hitachi of highway truck. So we are inspecting uh, the components, our daily routine. We perform the visual inspection. We check for the leaks on the drive lines, and also check for the mufflers because the mufflers are easy to uh, worn out or damage. And also we check for the electrical harness. And when performing visual inspection, together we are performing also the tightening of the clamps and bracket to avoid the major issues. We immediately uh, perform the tightening of the clamps and brackets, the minor issues, to avoid the uh, expensive parts damage. So we check for the hose clamps and check for the lube point. We have the grease pit things. So we check for the bearings and the lubrication point of the equipment. And also, while performing the visual inspection, we make sure that machine are on the parking status, and are isolating the isolation switch for the electrical. And also we wear PPEs at all time. In the picture, we can see HD785 Komatsu of highway truck. I am performing rub parts. So with the rub form procedure and follow the safety, I pull out air condition condenser and also the after cooler while doing the job. I always follow the safety and wear PPEs.